Hey guys. So we're all awake and slightly alive. We actually had a really great sleep last night. Jack's vomiting again this morning, so I don't know what's going on, but he said he's not feeling too bad, so it's okay. We're just waiting for the Bolivian hot bus, and then we're heading to Copacobana, where we do a day trip over to an island where the Incas first believed that the sun rose from. And then we will stay in Puno in the Peruvian side of Lake Titicaca tonight, and then tomorrow night we'll probably do a homestay there, and then after that we head to Arequipa, which we head to the next Wild Rover, which we're super stoked about. We're going to try and get all 3 hostels, because once we do that we get a shirt, I'm not sure if you can see, and it's like I Survived South America's craziest threesome. So,
yeah, I definitely want that shirt.
So yeah, we'll update you once we're on the bus, and I think it's only a 2-hour drive to Copacabana, and hopefully it's not too cold. We just got off the bus. We're having to get into like a little ferry boat thing to get across to the other side. So yeah, we're just waiting for that. It's a cute little town though. Nice and sunny. I need some more sleep though. I don't know if you can see, but our bus is just on like this random little boat thing. It looks weird going across the water. We're just getting on one of these.
Yo tengo tapitos si quieres.
I'm definitely gonna feel ill on this thing. I can feel it. What? Okay, well we're in Copacabana. I'm just getting some brekkie. I just wanted to show my eggs because look. And I got scrambled. Jack just got toast. I got some like Bolivian hot chocolate thing. I can't even describe it, but yeah. So I've just been handed this, and all tourists have written in it about where they're from and stuff. And it's so cute. You can get recommendations on anywhere to go. Like they've got Australia, the best way to do it. USA, best places to eat. Scotland. And we did find Adelaide. Trinidad and Tobago. Like some of these places are mad. Bristol. All I've seen from the UK is Bristol and London. That's not England. It's Scotland. Oh, sorry. Herefordshire. I'll show you. Oh, Newcastle. Singapore, Berlin, Philippines. But look, I can't believe when we found New Zealand as well, and then there's Adelaide. And we added in, because so it comes down to recommendations for food, we added in Linky's Bakehouse and Pantry in the Barossa. Amazing. Yeah. That's for you, Dad. And I love this. This is super cute. So this is Copacabana. Super cute. Oh yes! Oh, they've just pushed the boat out. Enthusiasm, yeah. Anyone else? No, that's okay. We're just waiting for the boat. We're going over to the island. It's pretty cute here though. Well, we're on the island. The water is super clear. This is meant to be the biggest lake in South America. And we're walking with our backpacks, and I'm already really hot. I'm already tired. I already cannot be bothered for this shit. Oh. Beautiful though. I think this is some kind of Inca temple. Not entirely sure. And if you go over here, probably won't be able to see, but right in the distance here, there's the Andes, so some snow-capped mountains. Hannah felt crap, so she's gone back onto the boat, and she's going to meet us the other side, 'cause it's like an hour walk. I wish I'd just gone back on the boat with Hannah, but it was too late by the time I decided. I think the walk would have been fine, but obviously we're at altitude and I've got about 7 kgs worth of crap in my bag. Hola, buenos dias. The little port. Oh, I bloody hope that's just where we have to be. We're back in Copacobana. Hannah still feels like crap. I'm alright, but I think we're all just a bit worn out and just like don't have the energy, especially with our day bags as well. I just want to get on this bus now and get to Puno. Should get there. Still gotta cross the Peruvian border. Static about. And then yeah, when we're in Puno, find somewhere to stay, I guess, and find food as well. Still super cute town though. Let's go and tell her it's another one. I'll just see if there's anything I can take away. Food? Yeah. Hello Peru! Just walking down to passport control to get our stamps into the country. We're currently out of Bolivia but not in Peru yet. Got our stamp into Peru, we're officially into the country. Yeah, the guys just come around and been like, look, if you haven't got the stamp, you're screwed. We can't help you. But we've just got on the bus and we're on the executive part, I think. It's all fancy. There's USB ports as well. Treat yourself. And there's a toilet so that if Amy shits herself, she's going to be fine. Well, we're in Puno now. The city's a lot bigger than what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like the tiniest little town. And we're in this random hostel, whatever it's called, international something. Who knows? Yeah. But we need to go get some food because last time we ate was like 11 o'clock. So we're going to go get pizza as usual. Just got our pizza. Looks so good.